increasing yield or efficiency means that we need to create a full end-to-end control over our entire manufacturing process. We need to be able, in order to gain this end-to-end control, to use the data that is accumulated in every step in our manufacturing process and from every data source. We need to be able to take data from machines, from test equipment, from sensors, from manual data, and data from other systems that we have in place. This needs to be taken from every plant, including from our contract manufacturers. The entire data need to be collected in real time and unified into a digital twin database. Then we can create a very effective analytics to provide us with the ability to maximize our yield and efficiency in the manufacturing. So data need to be collected from every data source. Now, once the data is collected, we are able to use smart AI algorithms to run prediction and run smart analytics, including predictive analytics and even preventive and prescriptive analytics. The data need to be visualized in a very effective way to enable the team to drill down and to create root cause analysis and to understand exactly what is wrong in every aspect related to our manufacturing process, from test equipment, from repair data, from machines OEE, deviation from the standard testing time and standard assembly time. The key point is creating end-to-end transparency and the ability to drill down and investigate in a very quick and accurate manner every anomaly in our manufacturing process. I welcome you to contact us and we will set up this information for you. Have a great day.